Talk loud.
Okay, Mom. This is for you. As you can see, the pods. Ding, 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 ding. And this is also for you. It's a birdhouse. This little circle is for the birds to go in, and this is a smiley face, and this is a dog crying, and this right here is a baby crying, and that up here there is you, and those little thunder things is a magic from you to help the things not to cry, and this right here is a good thing. This flower right here is you. Those are your roots, and this sign right here means love, and this sign up here means health. And that's you, that's me, and that's a messed up question mark, that's a messed up question mark, and that's a perfect question mark. And last but not least, from Marius to Mom. Bye! Sorry about that. Happy Mother's Day!